This video is the perfect example of how a dashcam can save you from disaster. This careless driver cut off the dashcam driver, which caused an accident.
Well, you go. We got an accident. Let's call 911.
The lady driving that car appears to not want to pull over. She takes her sweet old time and even pretends to pull over, but then immediately gets back onto the road.
We've got a hit and run. We have a hit and run going.
She really doesn't want to pull over.
You need to pull over, buddy. You need to pull over. You idiot.
Finally, at last, she pulls over. That took long enough. Now I want you to pay attention to her actions and what she does as soon as she steps out of her vehicle. She admires the damage to the back of her car that she caused, and then immediately shows something to the dashcam driver. What is that, you might ask? That's a badge, as she is a government employee, a district attorney to be exact. She tries to intimidate the dashcam driver with her authority and tells him that he is at fault. If he wasn't using a dashcam, I'm pretty certain that he would have been screwed. Thankfully, he was able to show the dashcam footage and prove his innocence, and her insurance paid for all the damage. Always use a dashcam while driving.